Epem Samu Akwaba do Badum TV Badwam Jumade no esonite kote go yeda se ndi nkranhye nsam de du so no Badwam kase nsam no ne obeti wo mu bi eni ECIT pani a wo hweso se de NDC kan nyina no nokre bi anim ye de sansam no ebebro na fe ya body ahwe de Dr. Badwam ya wo ye Director of Elections ma NDC so kan de fa EC ho eno ne nsem bi na no pay me de somo Adom TV Badwam kase or share me live on Facebook /Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTube search Adom TV Tube ko adomonline.com and sending in so ye de agu ho faseda Emma Joy Trish won watadi ba ko ene sheme na the links and shutri no ono ena ya ma me midi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de bi ntie se den semni chiremu ankasa etie Penny a wono na hwe IT eso wo Electoral Commission ye Dr. Yawofori Eje na ene wachechire mu sade eho no adwuma no etie na NDC amanyoku nsam a wormo ka se wa ye transfer of vote no ni ade akọ polling station bi no nokure eni
built into the fingerprint scanner, so it's easy for us to detect. However, for facial, as at the time that the system was deployed in 2020, the facial recognition ability to detect the liveliness of an individual was not matured. 3,957 voters from the register. Now, this deletion, they said, was due to transfers. In our minds, we can't see how you can delete somebody by transferring them, because transfers are allowed. So you can't delete somebody by transferring them. I also like to say that the way the voter management system is designed, and indeed ABIS, once you get registered onto the system, already inbuilt.
Director of Elections, NDC, Dr. Badwam na ene Ose Electoral Commission a mopping exercise na one more ye nemum or how no a war edino emono enye ho adwuma na one more ye akase no etwase.
NDC will win this election, and the EC, take it from me today, look at me, the EC should either accept this forensic audit now, or it is done when President Mahama is president, God willing, from January 2025.
Chairperson Emma Electoral Commission J Mensa edi to just say ono de ensema ye Dr. Badwam edi to just say womu de womu nje Electoral Commission no entumu no wono de onimpa se enema womu de egu akwam no eya de Ghana fo ni na enhwe enim se abato ebekoso eye December 7th no eya de ebeye krojin.
No results emanate from the head office of the Electoral Commission. Everything comes from bottom up. And the good news is that the media are enabled as a result of technology to take pictures of the polling station results across the country. And what we saw in 2020 was about 8 media houses who had the results which were close to that of the Electoral Commission. This is the transparency of our process.
MPP amanyoko no womu General Secretary Justin Frimpong Kodua enso edi to just say NDC amanyoko no womu any evidence bia ana womu ebasa enhyiemu no eti womu hwe se womu bekope womu evidence na womu edi ababema Electoral Commission
ka data na omu say omu wo no ko behwe ni data no aka say IT director presentation ade maye enya no kure e be say ye data ye kura ye analysis ya ye no not even one.
Ababa betoja se Ghana nkwada enyina no emu efa de womunya womu measles ene rubella vaccination no womu enwo so apane no be enu nti ahye Ghana Health Service say woso womu bopro e wo mamu ya fa na enyina free ne edikosi 6 October na enkwada ya wo mo totofe wa konfie no mu no abo won mo sampane no bi wo hwe ni mu so wo mo be wie 6 October no na nkwara 5 million wo my Ghana mu asa enkwada nyarewa mpane e de bo wo mu wanya so mfaso
tinti ma me fo no ko we no a sa abofra ne nya bosome nkro no ko ayema no onya bosome onya afe ne fa so ayema no but nzam ka se coverage na enye 100%. Aha, nti omo maka achire no enye anu nko anso omo manya bi dada no so ye hye mu kena. Measles there. Say ya abofra na so tumisi edikan. Otore bi a onya pneumonia mpafe. Ema otumi hwere na nkwa. Tukra na dwen etumi say. A friend brain damage. Nti measles enye ya papa kra.
Dr. Patrick Buaje, Director General of Ghana Health Service, Abra Wada National Measles, Rubella and Vitamin A campaign, no dino, and was shall phone in crime say. The
target is say 95% of the eligible children are vaccinated. We are looking at about 5.3 or so million across the country. Vaccinated. For grandmothers, Papa no mobia fanaba. Only 5 years, Embra. Say a bono bikra na ompamra. Na insa bono na boost na immunity no. Na pesa sure say vaccine send the so is safe. Omo e be nyina ya train omo kama say omo be senior o say no. Nti mo bia no mo form mra say na de bi omo ye no. Ye be ba no, ye be ko afim. Ye be ko hospitals. Ye be ko schools akotena be ba community nti no ba bia hu say o man tem bi wo bia no. Say emba of your crowd to me call. The days of living. That's a lot of advantages, not disadvantages. Right from tomorrow till the day of completion.
Menya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bema kwan na no pa no ye de asie. Aseda no eya wo de a wo mre no wadaje a wo de fam ye nti twen yen be sima mienu komiensa so ye nche ye de obon krata no de ba ne ene online de no ye de besomo ye da se